We are going to discuss about functions of several variables. A multivariable real-valued function is a real-valued function whose domain is a subset of Rn and range subset of R. First, we are going to describe some basic ideas about vector space in Rn. A non-empty subset X subset of Rn is a vector space if vector x plus vector y belongs to X and C into vector x belongs to X. For every vectors vector x comma vector y belongs to X and for all scalars C. Here scalar means some real number. Then if the vectors x1, x2, etc. xk belongs to Rn and c1, c2, etc. ck are any scalars, then the vector c1 into vector x1 plus c2 into vector x2 plus etc. plus ck into vector xk is called linear combination of the vectors vector x1, vector x2, etc. vector xk. If S subset of Rn and if E is the set of all linear combination of elements of S, we say that S spans E or E is the span of S. That is, if every member of E can be expressed as a linear combination of vectors in S, then we say that S spans E. Note that every span is a vector space. The proof is trivial. Then a set consisting of the vectors vector x1, vector x2, etc. vector xk is said to be independent if the relation c1 into vector x1 plus c2 into vector x2 plus etc. plus ck into vector xk equal to 0 vector implies c1 equal to c2 equal to etc. equal to ck equal to 0. That is, if the linear combination of vectors vector x1, vector x2, vector xk is the 0 vector in Rn only when all the scalars c1, c2, etc. ck are 0, then we say that the vectors are independent. Otherwise, the set vector x1, comma vector x2, etc. vector xk is said to be dependent. Observe that no independent set contains a null vector, that is 0 vector. That is, any set containing a 0 vector is dependent. Then, if a vector space X contains an independent set of R vectors but no independent set of R plus 1 vectors, we say that X has dimension R and denote dimension of X equal to R. That is, the cardinality of maximum possible independent subset of X is R, then dimension of X is also R. The set containing only 0 vector is a vector space and its dimension is 0. Then, an independent subset of a vector space X which spans X is called a basis of X. That is, a subset B of X is called a basis of X if it satisfies the two conditions. First one, it is linearly independent, and second one, it spans X. Then if B is the set of vectors vector x1, vector x2, etc. vector xr is a basis of X, then every x belongs to capital X has a unique representation of the form vector x equal to summation j equal to 1 to r cj into vector xj. Such a representation exists since B spans X. That is, every element of X can be expressed as union of members in capital B, and it is unique since capital B is linearly independent. For if possible vector x equal to summation j equal to 1 to r cj into xj and vector x equal to summation j equal to 1 to r aj into vector xj, which implies summation j equal to 1 to r cj into vector xj minus summation j equal to 1 to r aj into vector xj equal to 0. 0 means 0 vector, which implies summation j equal to 1 to r cj minus aj into vector xj equal to 0, which implies Cj minus Aj equal to 0 for all j equal to 1, 2, 3 up to r. Since the set vector x1, vector x2, etc. vector xr is a linearly independent subset. So, whenever the linear combination equal to 0, the coefficients are 0, which implies Cj equal to Aj for all j equal to 1, 2, 3 up to r. Hence, the representation is unique. If vector x has a unique representation of the form summation j equal to 1 to r cj into vector xj, then the numbers c1, c2, etc. cr are called the coordinate of vector x with respect to the basis b. The most familiar example of a basis is the set of vectors vector e1, vector e2, etc. vector en, where vector ej is the vector in Rn whose jth coordinate is 1 and whose other coordinates are all 0. If vector x belongs to Rn, then vector x equal to some n-tuple x1, x2, etc. xn. Then vector x equal to x1 into vector e1 plus x2 into vector e2 plus etc. plus xn into vector en. That is vector x equal to summation j equal to 1 to n xj into vector ej. We shall call the set of vectors vector e1, vector e2, etc. vector en the standard basis for Rn.